Welcome. If you're looking to keep your Telegram group organized and prevent members from sending polls, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to disable poll sending in your Telegram group using Telegram Web on your PC, following the latest update. First, open your browser and head to Telegram Web. Log in if you haven't already. Once you're in, find and open the group where you're an admin. This process only works if you have admin rights, so make sure you're managing the group you want to update. Inside your group chat, look at the top of the screen and click on the group's name. This will open the group's information page, where you can see details like the group description, member list, and settings. Next, find the edit icon, usually a small pencil or similar symbol, next to the group name. Click it to enter the group editing menu. Here, you'll see several options for customizing your group. Now, go to the Permissions section. This is where you control what members can and cannot do in your group. Look for the option labeled Send Media. When you click on it, a list of specific permissions will appear, including the ability to send polls. Find the Send Polls option and disable it by toggling the switch off. This action will prevent all non-admin members from creating and sending polls in your group, helping you keep conversations focused and free from unnecessary distractions. Once you've made this change, don't forget to click Save to apply your new settings. That's it. Your group is now protected from unwanted polls, and you can enjoy a more streamlined chat experience. Managing group permissions is a powerful way to keep your community running smoothly. With just a few clicks, you can control who can send what, making sure your group stays on topic and organized. Thanks for tuning in, and happy managing.